Hi there, it's Reggie Roo here. What's tall, red, and has big wheels that go round and round? It's a big red double-decker bus, of course. Can you see the big red bus? It's arriving at a bus stop. The passengers get up onto the bus. Do you sometimes catch the bus? And away it goes down the street and past the cars. Along the way, the bus stops again and again, picking people up and dropping people off. Through the street it continues. Isn't it busy today? Over the canal it goes and under the big blue bridge. The driver has to watch out for cars and bikes on the road. At the back, the bus conductor collects the passengers' tickets. Over the river the bus goes, past a group of people on kayaks. Can you see the 2 levels on the bus? It's almost as tall as a building. And you can ride on the top deck too. That's why it's called a double-decker bus. This bus goes past Westminster Abbey, Big Ben, and even Tower Bridge, which is sometimes called London Bridge by mistake. Wouldn't it be fun to ride on a double-decker bus? Hooroo! To see more things that go, click on the videos above. And don't forget to subscribe.